Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is me Muhammad Aleem. You are watching me on my YouTube channel. I hope that all of you will be fine and you will be having a nice time with your family, with your friends, wherever you are. Guys, today I got a very good and interesting video for you because I got this video for those friends who request me many times that Halim, why don't you bring such kind of videos? So that's why I decided to make such kind of video. So today the topic of my video is that how you can earn money online. Okay, so guys, before starting my video, I will request all those viewers who are new and until now they did not subscribe my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon, because if you will not press the bell icon then maybe you will not receive my upcoming videos. And in my upcoming videos I am going to bring a lot of informative videos for you that will be very useful for you. So guys, let's move to the video. First of all, I will tell you that how do you earn money and how much you earn money. But to get the answer for my second question, that how much you can earn, you will have to watch whole video, because at the end I will show you some proofs that may after that you will be able to understand that definitely you can earn a huge amount by sitting at home. You don't need to spend a lot of time, just you need to spend maybe 1 to 2 hours a day, and after spending 1 to 2 hours a day, then you can earn such a huge amount at the end of every month. So guys, let's move to the video. Guys, as I mentioned that there are plenty of platform of earning money online, but mostly nowadays I am uploading videos regarding the surveys. Last time I uploaded the video regarding the Toluna survey, but this time today I am going to tell you about the rewarding panel. So what you will have to do, just go to your mobile and you can download this app from App Store as well, but I did not download, just I prefer to open it from online. So here's the rewarding panel. Once you will press it, it will take you directly to the site of the company. So here it gives you the option of sign in and join now. As I have earlier joined this, so I will sign in. Once I will sign in, then it will bring me here. So here you will have to enter your email address, your password, and just you will press remember me, and after that you will press the login button. Once you log in, it will take a little bit time to get login. So here you can see your dashboard, and in your dashboard you can see all your surveys which you need to do and all the activities which you have done. So first of all, here you can see your survey. So it is showing me that the survey is going to be expired in 1 day and it will take 10 minutes and you will get 20 points. So this survey you can do in your mobile, in your laptop and your tab as well. So second survey which I will get now, it says expires in 69 days and duration is 18 minutes. And how many you can earn? So you can earn 40 points, and same like that you can make this survey on your mobile, tab and laptop. So plenty of surveys. So what you will do, once when you see the survey, so open the survey. So here it shows you the option start the survey. The first one, it shows you the start the survey. So you can see here on the top I have 265 points and I have 3 remaining surveys, so I can do the survey. So first survey I will start. I will not complete all the survey because it will be little lengthy video, so maybe it will be disaster for all of you. So I'm gonna tell you how to do the survey. So first you will do start the survey. Once you press start the survey, then it will take you straight away to the survey site. So here it is saying validating your profile. Now it will give you the survey. See here, welcome Muhammad. So what I will do, I will accept and go get started. Once you will accept it, so here you can see it is showing me you may qualify for this survey. Duration is 10 minutes and you can earn up to 20 points. So what I will do, I will just get started for this. Once I will press, that it will bring me here straight away to the survey panel. So a little bit it will take time. So you can do your survey in Arabic and in English as well. So the first question it is asking, in which year were you born? So make sure be sincere, as I am telling you in my old videos, that be honest in surveys, because if you will lie, if you feel just like whatever it comes in your mind, then you won't be able to qualify the survey. So the first I will enter when I was born, so I will write down my date of birth. So next one, when I will press the next one, basically this is qualification question. Let's see I get qualified for this survey or not. If I get, then straightway I will get the survey and it will show me the time that how many minutes it will take to complete my survey. Here it says 100%. So let's see what it comes in the next screen. But I will advise you one thing here, that don't leave any survey in the middle. Okay, so here it says I am not a robot. Then press next. Here it is. Now you can see that this survey is governed by the privacy policy of our client provinces. Please provide the province's privacy policy before proceeding. If you do not want to proceed, you can just choose no and you will return to the panel site. Do you agree to proceed? Yes, of course I am agree, because I want to complete this survey. So I will press yes, I agree. Then I will press the enter. Once I will press the enter, it will bring me to the next question. In here it is showing me what is your age. So basically I will choose my age. So here, after that I will press the next. Once I will press the next, then it will bring me to the next question. Let's see what's the next question. As here you can see that maybe I am not qualified for this survey, because in some surveys they are looking some type of categories. For example, they are looking age, maybe they are looking the age factor from 40 to 50 years. See here, thanks for your interest, but this survey has reached its quota, so I'm not qualified for this survey. So what I will do, I will finish this. Once I will finish this, then it will take me to the other survey which is available, and it is going to be expired in 69 days and it will take 18 minutes, but I will not complete because the video will be lengthy, so you won't be able to watch all my videos. So now I will go back to the main screen and I will show you how the points come and where you get the money. So points basically comes in your account which you have given your email address through the PayPal. So what you will do, just go to the PayPal, because I've already downloaded the PayPal account. So I will open the PayPal account here. Once I will open the PayPal account, it will show me all the activities, because right now I am doing plenty of surveys from different kind of application. So here you can see what I have earned and when I earned. So see, it is showing me PayPal balance 690. So what I will do now, just I will press here, I will see view details. Okay, so you can withdraw any balance which you have in your PayPal account. You can use it for online shopping, you can withdraw to your account, you can transfer it to your bank account, plenty of ways. So once you have done it, so here this is your main bank account. So all the message you get here, all the transaction you get in PayPal account, and also of course you get email addresses, email notification from the survey provider. So this was a good application for all of you guys. So I thought that why don't I share with you. So I shared it with you so you guys can carry on by doing this through your mobile app and through from your computer as well. But I'm going to give you the link of this website in my description, so you guys can download this app from there, or you can log in from the computer as well. So I hope that you guys like my video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.